Hey there! So, it seems like you've encountered a problem after updating to WordPress 6.7. The PHP notice you're seeing on your website refers to the improper calling of the _load text domain just in time function, which triggers the translation loading for a specific text domain too early. This issue typically indicates that some code in a plugin or theme is running prematurely, causing translations to be loaded before they should be. An important indicator in the error message is the mention of the text domain, such as blah blah in this case. Now, let's delve into the solution to resolve this issue. The key fix lies in adjusting the text domain registration code to be set to the init, hook, or a later action. Ensure that functions like load text domain, load plugin text domain, or load theme text domain are placed correctly in your plugin or theme. An example of incorrect code would be adding the text domain with the plugins loaded action, which triggers the translation loading too soon. Instead, the correct approach is to use the init action to load the text domain at the appropriate time. Building upon the solution, let's focus on the recommended code snippet for resolving the translation loading issue. By using the add action, plugins loaded function and specifying the text domain, directory path, and other parameters correctly, you can ensure that translations are loaded at the right moment, avoiding the early triggering problem. Continuing with the solution, another crucial aspect is adjusting the text domain registration code by utilizing the add action, init, hook. This ensures that translations are loaded at the init action or later, preventing any premature activation that might lead to the PHP notice you encountered. By following this corrected approach, you can effectively address the translation loading issue in your WordPress setup. In summary, by updating themes and plugins, reporting persisting issues to developers, and adjusting the text domain registration code to the init hook or later actions, you can resolve the PHP notice related to early translation loading in WordPress 6.7. I hope this information helps you tackle the issue on your website. Remember to stay updated and keep those plugins in check. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!